Hey everyone, 2024 is calling and it's calling loud. We're amidst a whirlwind of technology, a plethora of opportunities, and yes, a touch of the overwhelming. But no need for panic stations, because we're about to dive into 5 explosive skills that will take your career trajectory from zero to light speed. These aren't just skills, they're your career's rocket fuel. So whether you're a starry-eyed newbie or a seasoned pro ready to blast off, let's launch. Number 5, cloud computing. Dreaming of a career with its head in the clouds? Well, guess what? It's not just a dream anymore. The tech world is moving skyward, and it's pulling us along for the ride. All about cloud computing now, and it's time we get on board. The cloud is not some ethereal concept anymore, it's a real, tangible powerhouse of the digital world. The skills to navigate this expanse? 1. They're golden. We're talking about architecting cloud solutions, managing virtual servers, and making the most out of platforms like AWS and Azure. This isn't just about understanding the nuts and bolts of the cloud, it's about seeing the bigger picture. It's about leveraging the cloud to optimize business processes, to drive innovation, and to create value. So if you're ready to reach for the stars, it's time to become a master of the digital sky. And remember, with cloud computing, the sky's the limit. Become the master of the digital sky and watch your career touch the clouds. Number 4, content creation and management. Wordsmithing superpowers. In this swift-paced digital epic, content reigns as the pulsating core of the internet. It's the beat guiding the dance of interaction, the symphony that lures audiences, and the lyrics that keeps them entranced. From fascinating podcasts to engaging blogs, from enthralling videos to succinct social media posts, the art of content creation and management is the magic of the digital world. Visualize crafting a universe with your words, drawing images with your stories, and igniting discussions that reverberate worldwide. It's about spinning narratives that reverberate, forging messages that motivate, and curating content that retains your audience. It's about constructing bridges of comprehension, nurturing communities of mutual interests, and shaping the dialogues of the digital era. Ascend to the storyteller's throne, let your voice echo in the kingdom of content. Narrate your story, cultivate a community, and rule supreme in this domain of words and marvels. Number 3, cybersecurity. Let's face it, the internet's a wild west. It's a frontier of untamed potential and unforeseen dangers. In this landscape, data breaches blow through like tumbleweeds, and companies are on the hunt for heroes. They need digital knights armed with the shields of firewalls, the swords of encryption, and the eagle eyes of intrusion detection. In this vast digital realm, cybersecurity is not just a skill, it's a calling. It's about standing guard over precious data, protecting the vulnerable, and battling the unseen villains of the cyber world. It's about being the first line of defense, the bulwark against breaches. And let me tell you, there's no shortage of respect for these digital knights. Companies are willing to reward handsomely those who can ensure their safety in this wild, wild web. Protect the digital realm, become a cyber guardian, and earn the respect and fat paychecks of the digital world. Number 2, data analytics. Data everywhere, but what does it all mean? That's the million-dollar question. The one who can answer it is the data whisperer, the interpreter of the digital age. We're swimming in an ocean of data, but it only turns valuable when decoded. That's where data analytics come into play. These skills are your decoder ring, transforming a jumble of numbers into a clear, actionable story. Companies are desperate for insights, hungry to make sense of this data deluge. They're searching for the ultimate trend spotters, those who can sift through the noise to spot patterns, opportunities, and risks. And you, yes you, become that person. You can be the one who converts data into gold, guiding companies on their journey to success. So, evolve the ultimate trend spotter, the master of metrics, and steer companies towards data-driven success. Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is no longer sci-fi, it's reality. Let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are the skills that will place you on the cutting edge of technology and innovation. Imagine being the brains behind robots that can answer complex queries or designing algorithms that revolutionize healthcare. Picture yourself creating AI-powered art that pushes the boundaries of creativity and technology, merging into a breathtaking new form of expression. Mastering AI and machine learning is akin to learning the language of the future. It's about understanding how to teach machines to learn, adapt, and problem solve. It's about creating intelligent systems that can transform industries and lives. But it's more than just knowledge. It's about application and innovation. It's about using these skills to make a difference, to disrupt norms and to shape the world in ways we've only dreamed of. Become the architect of tomorrow, the weaver of intelligent machines, and shape the world like never before. Okay, bonus skill alert. This one's the meta skill, the secret sauce. As the pace of change accelerates, adaptability and continuous learning aren't just nice-to-haves, they're essential. Embracing new technologies, staying open-minded, and committing to lifelong learning are the keys to future-proofing your career. Remember, the only constant in life is change. So, ride the wave of transformation, not just to survive, but to thrive. Stay curious, stay hungry, and never stop growing. The world's your oyster, and you're the pearl.